Hey, it's JP. Welcome to 4th of July weekend. We are out on a road trip and we are in Prescott, Arizona. We're going to take a walk around downtown, see what this is all about.
Our road trip starts in Phoenix. We're headed to Prescott, just over 100 miles to the northwest. Located in Yavapai County at an elevation of around 5,300 feet, the city has a population of 46,000. Incorporated in 1881, Prescott has a charming historic downtown area, with the city having over 800 buildings on the National Register of Historic Places.
Welcome to the Prescott Frontier Days. It's going on July 1st till July 7th, and we're going to see what's going on.
Prescott is the home of the world's oldest rodeo with the Prescott Frontier Days. We didn't get here in time for the rodeo, but we did enjoy the events downtown. For a full history of this event, check out worldsoldestrodeo.com. Prescott is also home of Whiskey Row. Whiskey Row dates back to 1864, popularized by cowboys and miners in the area back in the day. We took a stroll along some of the historic buildings in the area. For more information on Prescott and Whiskey Row, visit prescott.com.
Alright, I'd like to say thank you for following along today. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button, let others know that you liked it. And if you want more information on the historic downtown of Prescott, Arizona, go ahead and check out this link. I'll also include it in the video description. Thanks for following along today. See ya!